Are you looking for the best WordPress hosting service for your website? Look no further than Bluehost, Hostgator, and Hostgator. Here is everything you need to know about these top 3 hosting services to help you make the right decision. Bluehost is the #1 choice for WordPress hosting, with up to 70% off on hosting for WordPress websites and stores. Secure your discount before these savings end. Bluehost offers a free domain, free SSL, free CDN, and money-back guarantee. Get started fast, name your website, select a design template, and start building with the right hosting plan. Build for results, optimize with design freedom, marketing tools, insightful analytics, and scalable growth. Peace of mind, guaranteed reliability, automated security updates, backup data protection, and 24/7 support. Choose from a shared hosting plan starting at $2.95 per month or an online store plan for $9.95 per month. Bluehost also offers a WordPress hosting plan, which includes all the benefits of the world's most popular site builder in a smart, secure, easy-to-use package. Plus, with access to hundreds of free and premium website themes, you can customize your website to your heart's content. Bluehost Marketplace also offers powerful plugins to add bookings, online ordering, customer chat windows, and anything else you need to transform your website into the ultimate can-do machine. And with expert help for newbies, pros, and in-betweenies, you can get support and guidance for all your website needs. With all-in-one solutions that make website protection and reliability easy, Bluehost provides free SSL, malware detection, automated security updates, and 24/7 expert support. Plus, with automated marketing tools, including built-in SEO tools, Google My Business, and Google Ad services, you can grow your customers, followers, and fist pumps. Hostgator is the second best option for web hosting, with up to 75% off web hosting, built for speed, free domain, and 24/7 customer support. Hostgator has excellent reviews, with 15,551 Trustpilot reviews by excellent and a Google rating of 4.8/5 by 1,237 reviews. Choose your pricing web hosting plan, starting with the single web hosting ideal solution for beginners at $1.99 per month, and a premium web hosting perfect package for personal websites at $2.99 per month, or the business web hosting optimized for small and medium businesses at $3.99 per month. Hostgator offers server locations in the USA, United Kingdom, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and the Netherlands. With Hostgator, you get 24/7 live support from a team of experts to help you with all topics related to your domain and hosting package. Hostgator utilizes advanced technologies, including self-healing infrastructure, full SSD servers, and unlimited bandwidth, to provide a fast browsing experience for your visitors. Hostgator offers more than just web hosting. They also provide cloud hosting for large-scale projects, VPS hosting for building projects your way, WordPress hosting for personal websites, domains to find your unique domain, and email hosting for your projects. Hostgator is dedicated to meeting all your hosting needs. Hest Gator is another top choice for WordPress hosting. Their pro hosting for WordPress includes everything you need to be a web pro, with a free domain, free SSL, and one-click WordPress installs. They have different plans to cater to various requirements. The Hatchling plan is now 67% off and offers hosting for a single website, 10 GB disk space, a metered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, and email included. The introductory offer for this plan is $2.64 per month. The baby plan is recommended and is currently 74% off. It allows hosting for up to 5 websites, 40 GB disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, email included, phone and chat support, a free domain for the first year, $500 Google Ad Spend Match credit, and $100 Microsoft Advertising credit. The introductory offer for this plan is $3.38 per month. The e-commerce plan is now 70% off and offers hosting for unlimited websites, unlimited disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, email included, phone and chat support, a free domain for the first year, $500 Google Ad Spend Match credit, $100 Microsoft Advertising credit, Cloudflare CDN, dedicated IP address, positive SSL upgrade, SEO tools, professional website migration services, and more. The special business price for this plan is $5.10 per month. Hest Gator includes several free features with their hosting, such as unmetered bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificate, one-click installs, and unmetered storage. They guarantee customer satisfaction with a 30-day refund policy and provide 24/7/365 support, ensuring your website stays up with a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Whether you're a beginner or a web pro, these top 3 hosting providers, Bluehost, Hostgator, and Hest Gator, offer reliable and feature-rich solutions for your WordPress website. Choose the one that best fits your needs and get started on building your online presence today.